Hey friends, how y'all doing? I still got dirt on the screen, the camera lens. Yeah, sorry about that. Raw video at its best. Anyways, let me pull back. The 73 Gran Torino. This whole cowl needs to be removed. I've already drilled the first set of spot welds with the pilot bearing or the pilot drill, and now I'm going to go ahead and bore it out. Each one with this type of a bit right there. Now this is what it looks like underneath. Now I knew that this is all bad, you can just tell by looking at it, but this is what's underneath it. Active ongoing rust. Active ongoing rust right here. So the point is that if another shop, you know, cutting corners type guy, they would have just patched this. You know, cutting corners, cutting costs, whatever. They would have just maybe cut this out, put a new patch in, painted it, called it a day. But you still have this ongoing active rust underneath here. And this will all be cut out after I remove this cowl, blast it, replace the bad metal, repair the underlying structure, and then weld this, put undercoating and primer, and then undercoating on the underside of the cowl, and then put it back in place, weld it back in, and then weld these little, I think these are the hood brackets or the hold down mechanisms or the brackets for the hood. But they're going to go back in the exact same spot because the spot welds won't lie. They'll keep telling me the truth. But this is just what they look like underneath here. Of course, that'll all be nice and clean when I'm done with it, getting it blasted. So now I got to go ahead and find the spot welds underneath that. That's another reason why this piece had to come off, because there's spot welds in here. There's got to be spot welds all along in here, so I'm going to have to clean that, find the spot welds, drill those, do the other one on that side up there, and then, you know, keep going on. So that's about it for right now on the Torino. So y'all be careful, be good, and the stores are crazy out there. It's insane, but 2 to 3 weeks, my prediction, my gut feeling is this is all going to go away, and the powers that be will have already seen their little PSYOP experiment going on right now in the world with all this crazy cold going around and everybody's freaking out. So be good, be safe, look up, be happy. Okay, bye-bye.